how to add social media links in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media links or any social media links for your Hostinger website. So it is going to be a simplified method and also a very assisted method because Hostinger have put the social media icons into their data. So we are going to add them automatically, and also you're going to only put the links or the URLs. So you're going to head over hostinger.com. This is the first step. Then you are going to sign in for your account, and after that you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard. Once you're here, we are going to head over to the websites, click on websites, and then you're going to click on websites list. Now, since you are on the list of the websites, you're going to see the owned websites. Make sure that you are going to select only the website that has as you can see, discontinued square, which is going to be represented in the hosting website builder, not the W and not this specific three Ws. Now, here, when you're going to click on edit website, you're going to see all of the website content of yours. Then you're going to start editing the specific areas. Now, basically, how we can add the social medias. It is going to be crucial to pay attention to the header because it is going to be the source of the icons. So we are going to click on the header, make sure that we have ticked it or clicked on it as always for selecting the items. Then you are going to click on edit header. So here you can see the layouts, the elements, the styles, the logos, and etc. Also the position of the elements of it. But we are going to head over the head elements. So as you can see, we have the option to show the logo or hide it, show social media icons, which is going to be today's video. So, subject, I mean, show buttons, show shopping cart. We're going to enable the show social media, as you can see, icons. We're going to click on edit icons, and then we can go ahead and modify the style of the icons. The first thing that I'm going to do in here is going to change the color of them to white. So they are going to be more appearing like this. And then we're going to click on the elements, edit social media again, and we are going to put as you can see here, the links. So make sure that you're going to put the links, edit them or delete them. And also you can add another link and put, for example, you're going to put maybe Pinterest or something like that. You're going to put the link, click on yes or tick button, and it is going to have the social media of that specific platform icon automatically added. So do not forget to set up the social media URLs of yours, and then you're going to have them in here. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.